Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Rocket League game on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download Rocket League on your iPhone is easy. Open up your App Store to get started. Go to the search box and type in Rocket League and perform your search. Tap on the Get button right next to the app and confirm your identity, and the download process should begin. Rocket League is a vehicular soccer video game developed and published by Psychonic. Now, wait for the application to be downloaded, which should only take a few minutes, depending upon your internet speed. Now wait until the application gets downloaded and you'll be able to play Rocket League right away on your iOS device. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.